Hi, my name is Natalie Vasquez, and today I would like to share with you some fascinating information about a group of individuals that are often overlooked. Kentucky retirees are valued members of our society not only because they have already contributed so much during their working lives, but also because they can offer our local communities and businesses many more opportunities. In the past 6 months, the Kentucky Task Force on Aging Workforce has worked diligently to gather facts on retirees through phone interview surveys. Through these surveys, we have gained great insight into the retiree community. These insights have allowed us to consider the possibilities that can be produced from the concerns of these individuals. Let's take a deeper look into this outstanding group, which can ultimately benefit you, your community, businesses, and more. Through the phone surveys, we learned so many different things about retirees, like their life satisfaction levels, why they decided to retire, and good and aspects of retirement. We have found that retirees do not always decide to retire for the same reasons. We gave them 10 reasons to why they retired, and they rated these. The top 3 reasons for retirement included wanting to do other things, poor health, and sufficient income to stop working. These individuals need your help while transitioning into this lifestyle, and even after they have already settled in for a while. There's plenty of opportunities to help these individuals that affect both retirees and non-retirees. In fact, they often deal with personal struggles that you may be unaware of, such as emotional, financial, and personal. In the survey, the retirees were also asked to give feedback on negative aspects of retirement. The top 3 included inflation, missing coworkers, and having too much free time. Organizations such as churches and arts and crafts groups and other social groups can hold special events for retirees to nurture loneliness and the predicament of having too much spare time. Also, businesses such as banks and financial advising companies can take advantage of inflation by informing retirees about savings and investment possibilities that will benefit your local economies and retirees. I want to thank you for watching this presentation, and I hope that it inspires you to make a difference for your retirees. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.